All right, this is long awaited. I have been growing my hair out for a particular reason, and I'll discuss that at the end. But I wanted to get on here and show you guys how you could actually line up your hairline, front and back, with just two products or one tool and one product, and that product could be anything of your choice, but I'm going to let you guys know exactly what that product is. So these are the two things I'm going to be using. This, we all have this, hopefully. We use this to get rid of, you know, straggles under the eyes, well, eyebrows, and here and sometimes here, but wherever you use this, you can also use it to, you know, clean up your hairline, give your hairline a more custom barber like finish touch or something of that matter. So I'm going to be using this to show you how you can line up your hairline, including your back, using any type of cream product. So I'm going to be using Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Curl Enhancing Smoothie, I really don't use it a lot to style my hair anymore, so that's why I have a lot of it. But it's a cream and it's white so that I can see exactly what I am trying to shave off. So with all of that said, let's get started. Thank you for joining me in this master course. I'm going to help you be able to cut your own hair without having to rely on another barber that may not put your cut or style the way that you envision it.